What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Vechain here, and as we can see, absolutely beautifully, trading very technically here, looking very nice indeed. As we've said with a lot of cryptos that have failed to reach their all-time high, we have fully confirmed now our higher high, higher low, higher high. So we have finally reversed this big downtrend that we saw here for sure on our macro time frame here, which is great to see. And we're getting full confirmation of the breakout of this big coiling pennant formation that we've seen for Vechain here. You can see obviously we've been coiling inside of this area, this pennant, for a long time here, and it does look as though we finally got the breakout. Basically resistance at the 618, come back down, back test the 050 and the pennant. We get that full breakaway, we break the 618, we come down, we back test it, and now it looks as though we're finally fully breaking away from this area here at around 16 cents. And as we said in our previous video, pretty much bang on the money. We are heading up towards that final resistance at around that 078, which we've been looking for a good while and be talking about as a target for a while as well, at around 19.5 cents. We're currently trading at around 18.1 cents. So Vechain finally starting to wake up and have a bit of a move to the upside, which is great to see, because obviously things have been a bit disappointing for a good while here for Vechain. We have been having these impulsive moves, impulsive move correction. And if we have that final impulsive move for this bull market, we could be looking at Vechain getting up towards those price targets that we are looking for, essentially up at around that $1 mark, which we want to see. So I don't know why there's a random line there, but you can see quite clearly with all our technical analysis here, just eyeballing this chart, you can see basically the story of what's happened. That big downtrend that we saw, the breakout and the back test, we moved to the upside. We got another descending wedge, the ABC correction in September, with everything looking super bearish, lots of FUD, Evergrande FUD and all kinds of other nonsense. The ABC correction and the overextension with the bullish divergence there, you do get the breakout of the descending wedge back into our range that we saw between the 038, I believe it is the 0382, and the 050. You can see here, ranging like this for a while after coming, we formed a little bit of a range here. We broke down, we back tested, we come back up into the range. We retest the resistance again, we break out, form another range here, or we retest. I mean, these Fibonacci levels are insane, aren't they? It's amazing you can just draw this in based on, a high to low here. You draw this in from here, high to low, and then all these levels here perfectly respected. You can see we come back up perfectly to the 618, come down, resistance. It's like support, resistance, support, 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 resistance, support, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support. Yeah, I mean, you get the idea. Resistance, support, and then we're coming up to our next resistance, which we'll probably see at our 078 there, which we are heading towards now. So Vechain's starting to wake up. Obviously, we know this is a crypto that can move fast. You don't need to tell you that if you were in Vechain in around January, February time. From like the end of January, I mean, just look at this. From Christmas, 1 cent up to 28 cents, a 28x in 4 months. Absolutely incredible. So it's clear that Vechain can move, and it's finally starting to wake up, isn't it? So things looking really good. Clean breakout of the pennant, cleanly broken out of our 618 here, heading towards our next target at the 078. So overall, we're looking really bullish, really excited to see where things go. We'd say short-term price predictions then, if we roll over here, we would expect this previous swing high at around 16 cents to act as good support, down to around that 15.5 cent level, and also the 618 coming down to around that 14.6 cent level as well. Very strong supports if we do roll over here, in confluence with our EMAs. But we are targeting, as we said, the 078. We want to come up at least to touch this at 19.5 cents, maybe upwards of around 20 cents. Obviously a big psychological resistance as well. But we do think when Vechain starts to move, it will start to move with a lot of aplomb. And we can see here, if we can break this area that we're looking at here at around 18.5 cents, a previous support there flipped into resistance right now. If we can break this, We're obviously looking at that Fibonacci level being tested, probably a back test of this area, and then hopefully we can break through it, head up towards into these 20-cent levels, 21 cents here. We've also got a resistance at 25 cents, and then obviously the all-time high at around 28 cents that we're looking for. So overall, Vechain looking like it's starting to wake up and looking very, very nice indeed. And then as we can see here, big Fibonacci extensions here on that recent high to low move, seeing us come up well into the $2 range on the 227 extension. But we do think 50 cents to $1 is very realistic based on these fibs and also how much Vechain can move. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.